Hello, my beautiful people. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my M1 weekly updates. So, this week I just finished my 47 week of investing on my M1 finance, and I made a big move. I'm gonna tell you right now, I sold my Procter Gamble and my McDonald's stocks. I finally don't have my consumer stocks anymore. So, I'm only left with 8 holdings right now. Also, I did not invest anything this week, and as you guys can see right now, I lost this week. I lost about $600, but we are making this any longer. Let's go through my stocks and let's see how I did this week. All right, let's change this to week. Two of my slices are red this week. Also, I changed the name of my slices. My main check, which is my growth slice, and my side checks, which are my tech. And also industrial. I'm keeping this one because I think this industrial stock has been giving me good returns so far. All right, let's go to my side check first, my tech. Nvidia, I lost $129.39, which is down 8.69%. Microsoft, I lost $38.90, which is down 3.22%. My only winner from my tech stock, Apple, I gained $5.19, which is up 0.48%. Skyworks, I lost $35.34, which is down 3.57%. So you guys can see, it was a bad week for my tech stocks, but that's all over the place this week anyway. Nvidia lost a lot this week, 8.69%, but this is one of the stock that I'm actually keeping. I may actually sell one of this stock, but I'm not sure which one yet. For this week, my side chicks, I lost $198.44, which is down 4.16%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my industrial, which is 5% of my pie. My industrial used to be 8%, but I changed it to 5% because I wanted to put more percentage on my main checks. This one I may actually keep it for a long time because it has given me good returns so far. Yeah, 296 ain't that bad. And I received $14.51 dividend since I started investing on Honeywell. For this week, my Honeywell, I gained $103.60, which is up 9.91%. I earned $5.29 dividend. Well, this is amazing, $5 dividends. This Honeywell gained a lot this week. Well, a lot of industrial stocks are, especially Boeing. Boeing has been killing it this past week. All right, now let's go to my favorite slice. I know this lost this week, but these are still my main chicks. My main chick is now 58% of my pie. Maybe I should say Tesla is my very main chick because Tesla is my favorite stock right now. All right, Tesla, I lost $164.59, which is down 4.44%. Square, I lost $160.37, which is down 9.62%. Roku, I lost $112.62, which is down 9.92%. I actually reduced Roku from 20% to 15%, and I raised Tesla from 55% to 60%. The money that I gained from selling McDonald's and Procter Gamble, I invested them mostly in Tesla and some in Square because Tesla is the future. For my growth stocks, my main checks, I lost $437.58, which is down 6.72%. Actually, I'm not even sad about this loss because it gives me more opportunity to buy more of these growth stocks. So yeah, I kind of hope they keep going down so that I can keep buying more shares. So this is how I did for this week. I lost because of my tech and my growth stocks, but they will bounce back in the future. I am still working on minimizing my portfolio though, just because I want to concentrate more on fewer stocks. I saw a very interesting video about Chicken Genius, and he was talking about being a sniper only invest in certain stocks. That's why he's been gaining a lot of money. I'm gonna try practicing that, especially because I don't have that much money yet. So I just want to concentrate on certain stocks that has a lot of growth. I think growth stocks will give me more money or give me better gains in the future. So this week, my moneymaker, I lost $572.22, which is down 4.63%. My earned dividends is from my Honeywell, which is $5.29. Even if it's losing right now, I trust the process. That's why I sold my McDonald's and Procter Gamble and I invested in Tesla and Square because I can see more growth in these stocks. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video this week. Let me know what you guys think about me selling Procter and Gamble and McDonald's. I know you guys may be like, oh, that was a dumb decision because they've been around and they've been giving good dividends. But I'm all about the growth stocks right now. That's why my M1 finance portfolio is called the Moneymaker. I want to make more money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. If you don't like this video, of course, you can always just comment and let me know why is that. So that's it for this week. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Like I keep saying every week, keep investing and keep growing your wealth. I'll see you guys again.